people, like I promised in the image, I will show you how to create your very own website in 10 minutes and you will be up and running in no time. So the first thing we need to do is go to elementor.com. The link is in the description. Click on Get Started, on the Get Started button. And we will wait until it's loaded. And it says welcome to your account. So for what you're building for a client, for example, and we go next. You can create your very own website right now. Is this your first Elementor website? No, it is, but just a joke, sorry. Okay, right over here, what for type of website are you building? Other, you can build anything with Elementor. So you can create your business portfolio site, a restaurant, and kind of stuff. So I will continue. So right over here, you'll see the pricing. So it might be expensive if you look to it, but it's not, because you save a lot of money for $20 per month. I highly recommend this. You have included the page builder and included hosting. Hosting is where you store your website, so you know where you can manage your website. You always need hosting. So normal, let's calculate, it's like $20 hosting per month, and also the themes and the designs and Elementors, it's a lot. So you will save a lot of money in this tutorial. So when I click on buy now, the business plan, you need the business plan if you want to do what I do. You can also take another plan. It depends on you. And here you can check out. Okay, now I've showed you how you must buy this, but now we're gonna look at the work. So I go to myelementor.com. Links in the description. I will be redirected to a page. So I'm going to tell you step by step how we must fix this. So it's loading. And right over here, we have our My Elementor page. Okay, so now we are at the WordPress dashboard. What I'm going to show you is that you can create themes, designs in just minutes. So let me show you it. When I go to plugins, install plugins, it already activated Elementor and Elementor Pro for you. So you don't have to do anything with it. I go to appearance, now to plugins, and I will show you how you create your very own website with the Elementor page builder. So I can click on add plugin. I'm going to search here for Elementor Kit. You can customize it with the Elementor page builder. But we can also use the Elementor Pro because it offers a lot of templates. I highly recommend it. I'm building websites for 15 years right now, and I highly recommend to use the Elementor Pro. Right over here, we go to pages, all pages, sample page. Okay, so you have a lot of options. I'm going to click on edit with Elementor, and I will wait until it's loaded. Okay, so I will show you a cool plugin where you can import your site in just a few minutes. I'm going to search for plugins. I'm going to search for starter themes. And we can implement layouts in a minute, so we will be up and running. Okay, starter template with Elementor. It's got over 1 million installs. So we will wait until it's loaded and installed. And when it's installed, we can implement themes in just a few clicks. You can design them easily by designing with drag and drop. Okay, this is activated. Go to pages or go to your website. And we go to our site, and right over here you see that we still have an empty page. I'm going to click with Elementor. And now you see something appear right over here. Click on it. And we will wait until it's loaded, because this is really amazing. Okay, so you get access to a lot of templates, as you can see, and it is just free. You only need to purchase the Elementor Pro. Links in the description. If you buy that plan, you will highly have all those blocks. So now I'm gonna show you how you insert a page. Normally you have to set up hosting and you must install WordPress and kind of stuff, but now we're gonna make it easy for you. So I'm not gonna do all the things. I can also show you the premium themes that I got, like Pages. Now we have the starter templates. So I'm gonna click on it until it's loaded. All those templates. Select premium first. Show the premium themes. So we have access to a lot of templates from the Astra team. So it's amazing, this, in my opinion. You'll access every template. You got also free templates, but they are not so good as the paid templates. You want to save money? I should highly recommend to buy a better professional template like this. And if you have bought this, you can also select them in one click. So I will show you the free template soon. But first I want to show you this beautiful templates. Hundreds of templates. You can just import them in one click. I will show you soon. So right over here, if I want, for example, I want to buy this team, the game development team. You can import all pages when you click on Get Access. You will be redirected at the Astra team. So for $39, you can get the Astra Pro. But I go back, because we tried with the free team. And if you like it, you can upgrade. So right over here, we will create another design. And I will show you that you can import them in one click. So let me show you that. I'll search for a nice template first. And we will wait. Okay. I think this one is nice. Digital download store. I will import this theme, because it's free. And it's loading, it's importing, it can take a while. Appreciate your patience. And it's importing. We just imported it in one click. And I'm going to show you more of those. So this was just to show you that you can import it in one click. So let's leave this. And I can show you how you customize it. Click on style. Click on image. Go to free images. Right over here. And search, for example, for landscape of tech. We're gonna search for tech stuff, because I'm out here. Okay, it's loading, I think. Okay, so we have here our beautiful templates. So well, let's insert this one, this landscape. I changed my mind, sorry. To take the best one, because we must have a really professional website. Okay, I will save and insert. Okay, this is looking amazing in my opinion. So what you can do, you can set it in full position is like center or default, and we can import kits, so template kits. So right over here, we love creating. So this is amazing. So we love creating, And right over here, you can add other sections. Let's import the whole design because I want to go online fast. Or blocks. So if you want to have like pricing tables, you can search for here for pricing. No pages free. Okay, so I will import also a landscape. You can do whatever you want with this template, with this builder. With Elementor you can create everything what you like. They got so many options in my opinion. For example, this one. This one looks nice. For any case, you can create your own very own website. So I will click on this and I will click on import template soon. And we will wait. So right over here, I go back. Okay. I think here is a nice template. I've searched for something and I found it. So because this one is really nice. If you want to start your e-commerce store, you can also insert this one. So, okay, so this is just a tutorial to show you that you can create any website with Elementor. You can create your basic website. You can create advanced website. You can create everything. So right over here, I click on import template. And when it's done, okay, no coding required, okay? That's amazing. Other programmers will be coding. We will be fast and quick. So right over here, we got our own WooCommerce store. Okay, that's looking amazing. So you can just launch your store in one click. Okay, so let's be straight to the point. We just finished the site. Want to take a look at it, and we will go online. So you're already online. That's the cool thing of Elementor Cloud. So right over here. Okay, so this is just a basic site. I've showed you a lot of things which you can create. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.